Joining me in the Health Hub is Assistant Medical Director for University Hospital's Emergency Department, Dr. Robert Hughes. What is the biggest misconception you're getting from people who come into the emergency department?
I think it's that there's this dichotomy that some people have where it either is something that isn't a thing and doesn't matter and we shouldn't be worried about, and those people are gathering in large events and potentially spreading disease. And then there's the other side of the coin where there's people who are overly scared and are going to grocery stores and buying things in bulk, and people who are taking up vital personal protective equipment and wearing masks when it's not proven to be helpful and they need to be, in fact, social distancing. And I think that it would be beneficial for everybody to know that the truth lies in the middle. This is a disease that can be potentially devastating. It's more communicable than the flu, and as we are finding, has a higher potential death rate than the flu. Be that as it is, taking the mild steps of just social distancing and good hand hygiene and making sure we cover our mouth when our cough, while we protect the most at-risk population, the elderly, people with medical comorbidities, I think that is where the truth lies, and I think that will both temper people's response to this, but also make them aware of how important it is to act now. Everybody is susceptible. And I think that people who are young and otherwise healthy, who understand that there is going to be a larger contingent of them that don't have severe symptoms, may underplay the amount of risk that they're undertaking by social gatherings and going to beaches and spring break down in Florida. And I think that sadly that translates to an increased risk of disease transmission, whether they become symptomatic or not. To your point, we are seeing a lot more people who are younger who are being affected by this. The 20 to 40 age group is making up a not insignificant portion of people who are affected.
Committed to bringing you facts, not fear. Monica Robbins, 3 News.